Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of Things. But for today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Samsung monitor sleep mode problem. So if you're having problems with your Samsung monitor here and it's on your sleep mode, well, there are a few things here that you could do. So you want to start with your basics here, your power and your cables. Now, before anything else, check your monitor's power cable. If it's plugged in properly, sometimes a loose or unstable connection can trick the monitor into thinking it should shut off. While you're at it, inspect the cable itself. So if it's cracked, damaged, or worn out, that could be the real problem. A bad cable can cause flickering, signal loss, or just send the motor into sleep mode for no reason. And also, you want to make sure your motor is actually getting a signal. Sometimes your motor goes to sleep not because it's tired, but because it's not getting a signal from your PC. So check the HDMI or display cable next. So try unplugging and plugging it back in, or better yet, swap it out with a different one just to test it out. Now, if the monitor can't detect input, it automatically enters power saving mode. Now, you want to go to your Windows power saving settings as well. So sometimes your PC is the one telling the monitor to sleep after a set period of inactivity. So you want to adjust those settings on the display and sleep so the monitor doesn't turn off too fast. Also check your monitor's built-in menu. Make sure it's not configured to go idle on its own. Now, let's say your screen is black, but your PC is still running, and you're trying to click or type anything here, but nothing happens. That might be because your mouse or keyboard isn't allowed to wake the monitor. Now, to fix that, you want to go into your device settings and allow both to bring the system out of sleep. It's quick checkbox here that makes a big difference here. Also, outdated display drivers can be sneaky culprits, so they mess with how your system communicates with the monitor. Head into your device manager and find your display adapter and check for driver updates. Keeping those drivers fresh ensures better compatibility and fewer weird issues like this. And if you're still having issues here, you may want to contact support. So sometimes this can be a hardware issue, so contacting support if none of the steps before actually work for you can help a lot. Well, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.